What's up, YouTube? Today is my second to last day. I guess tomorrow's my last day before I leave for my new shop, and I got a clutch job in the shop today. I want to show you something. Stud was making a noise, vibrating. Clutch disc is about 50%. Oh, wasn't it? This over here, that was at one point a pilot bearing. Gone. Only found one bead, or not bead, but bearing down there, and see, it's got quite an edge on it. So, whenever the transmission input shaft, it's got pretty wore, but not good at all. So, order parts. I don't know if we'll have anything tomorrow for me to finish it before I head out of here, but it's pretty jacked up. So far pretty clean, I guess. Everything's in the shop. Kyle's got a turbo he was doing today. High pressure pump. Ended up giving him my, you saw my other videos, my red Harbor Freight side box. Since I got my new one, I didn't need it. And I figured, hell, I'll just give it to him. But pretty quiet out here tonight. Yeah, look at that. Truck's got about 400,000 miles on it. I guess it had work done before somewhere. I think is what Foreman said. Not for sure, but we'll get with him tomorrow and see if it's someone else can pay for it. Working on big trucks, you would think this electric wouldn't do it, but this 3/8 impact is not that old, but I use the shit out of it. But it is fantastic. I was getting a review on that here. Do a tool review. There's a couple other things I was gonna review. Going to the new shop. I don't know if I'll be able to do a bunch of videos. I need to start, but I figured I would give everybody an update. And it's going in the shop and then start a new one. So if you're new, watch this video, subscribe and like. Appreciate it.